Hi everybody, welcome back to the Beaded Jewel. I'm Rochelle, and today's video is going to be totally something different. This is my first Mindful Souls subscription box. So I'm really excited. I have really been getting into these crystals for the last 2 years, I would say. They kind of been popping up in my life here and there, so I thought, well, I better give this some attention, you know. So if you watch my channel, and by the way, if you haven't, go ahead and subscribe, please. And click the like button and that notification button to get reminders of my videos when they're up there. And so I want to give you a little information before I even open it. I have not even opened this yet. I did tear the tape off there, but I didn't even open it yet. I just got it today. So Mindful Soul subscription box is $39.97 a month. You know, you can cancel anytime and all that stuff. They also have a VIP club membership. So, oh, I didn't write. Oh yeah. They also have a VIP club. I got notes over here I'm reading. They also have a VIP club membership in addition to the regular subscription box. And they also have a Mindful Divine box for $59.97, which I read is limited. So they have a great website, a ton of great information. I love their website. It's just a beautiful website, and they really educate you. So if you want to learn about crystals, go on there, and they have a ton of information. They have all different crystals along with jewelry also. So that's a plus for me. And they also have a beauty line, which is another plus for me. I haven't tried it yet, but their beauty line consists of body lotion. They have face skincare products, body scrubs. So I'm just read about those. They look pretty wonderful. So they have an extensive line of all different products on their website, and you can also shop by intention. They have a category there called intention on the website, and when you click on the intention, they have all different topics: love, health, prosperity, and much more. So if you click on one of those, you'll go into which will be a hand-picked collection for that category for you. So if you wanted something for prosperity and you click on that, they'll tell you what, you know, what kind of goes in that box for it or what you need for it. So I think that's all the notes I have for that, but just a lot of education on their website. Just a beautiful website. They had a wind chime on there, crystal wind chime on there that I want to get, and oh, some other things. But let's get started. Hopefully I'll know what I'm talking about when I open this, but I don't know what it's going to be. So let's see if ooh, look at that. I have a limited amount of space here. Let me go out just a little bit more. Get my mirror, my light out of the way there. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you open it. And let's see, I wonder if this is my free gift I got there. Now this is not, before I go any further, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for everything with my own money, so this is not a sponsored video. So I won't have a code to give you, but I'm sure if you go on YouTube you can find a code somewhere. So let's see, I guess this is the brochure. Okay, so I'm going to move this box. You can kind of see what how the box looks. Okay, and I'm just going to move it out of the way so I can pull stuff out now so we can see it. And let's see, so this is the little brochure here. It tells you about everything in it. I don't want to look, so I don't want to be, I'm going to look at this last. I'm sorry. I just don't want to see it yet until I see everything in here first. So it looks like this is a little sticker here. Okay, and so another card here. There's a picture on there. You can't see it. So this is affirmation for creativity. Hey, that's what I need for my jewelry. I'm going to go in a little further. Okay, you can probably see it now. Well, that's the perfect card for me. Okay. And let's pull out, start pulling out, see what we got. I'm so excited. Oh, I've always wanted one of these. I've never had. Look at that. So I better read what this is. It's a wind chime. No, it's what do you call these? A dream catcher. Hello, yes. I've always wanted a dream catcher. This is so pretty. It's a keychain. So it's a keychain dream catcher, I guess. Oh, I don't think I would carry this on my keychain. It would get really messed up in my purse. But it's so pretty. Look at that. I'm gonna hang this somewhere. I have a 3-season deck on my house. I think I'm gonna hang it out there. Isn't that cute? So it says here, dream catchers originated with the algae. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce that. Algae OJIBWE people, a group of natives of North America. It was said that dream catchers caught any harm that might be in the air. As a spider's web, it catches and holds whatever it comes in contact with. Okay. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. Alright. I don't know what I'm pulling out next. Oh, here we go. Look at that. Serenity Buddha figurine. It has 2 holes by the ear. I wonder what that means. Maybe it's just the clay or whatever it's made out of. So this figurine is for people who are either, I'll hold it up a little, who are either looking for peace and calm, yes I am, in their lives, or for those who wish to improve their own meditation skills. The silhouette of the figurine is shaped more or less like a triangle, which represents stability. There you go. Alright. I can certainly use that. Let's see what else we have here. Something here. Oil fragrance. Rosemary. Okay. So we have a rosemary oil here. So considered sacred, rosemary oil is one of the most powerful herbs and essential oils on the planet. There we go. Native to the Mediterranean, the wooded evergreen has been used in folk medicine for thousands of years to improve memory. Oh, I need that right now. Soothe digestive issues, relieve muscle aches and pains. Yes, the muscle aches and pains. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'll open that later. So far, everything has a meaning for me. And then look at these cute little pouches we have here. Look at this. Look, how cute is this? And this is the, I'll probably show the inside of the box against the inside of the box. Isn't that pretty? And it says here, and just like that, you've opened a whole new world of possibilities. And you have. Oh, these are so cute. So let's see. Let's see what we have here. Open one at a time. Oh, goodness, come on. These little pouches are made really nice. Okay, what are you? Oh, are you amethyst? Yes. So it's a pendulum. Look at that, folks. Get them a little closer. Oops. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And you can tell it's a quality stone. I just went to the, check out my other video where I went to the International Gem and Jewelry Stone. That's interesting also. Wait till you see what I got in there. This is really, really nice. Let's see what this says. Amethyst is one of the most spiritual stones, promoting love and encouraging a selflessness and spiritual wisdom. Mentally, it helps you feel less scattered. Yes, it does. More focused and in control of your faculties. Tap into the energy of amethyst to fuel your determination with inspiration. Remind yourself that you can achieve anything you set out to achieve with the help and clarity of amethyst. Wow. Yeah, I love amethyst. I've been wearing an amethyst bracelet, and it really, really helps me. I also sleep with it under my pillow because it's very calming. This is just gorgeous. That's really pointy. Very pointy. Beautiful. Okay. On to the next little bag here. Okay, see what we have. Oh, let's see what we got here. I don't know if I have any information on this one. I think this is my free gift you get when you first order. Oh, I don't have any information on it. I will get information on it and I'll just post it over the video. Okay, well, let's see what else we got. See what this is. It feels like, oh, the bracelets. Isn't that pretty? The little elephant there. Let's see what this is. White turquoise. I don't think I've ever seen white turquoise. White turquoise and lava stone bracelet. Turquoise has been considered a master healer, said to assist the absorption of nutrients while strengthening the immune system and stimulating tissue regeneration. Oh, wow. I didn't know that. See what I say? It's so educational. I just love it. Especially in our older years. I mean, I really find that I'm really needing all this information because it truly does help. Black lava beads in an ingenious volcanic rock that is basically molten lava and that has solidified under intense pressure and heat. It is a stone of strength, fire, passion, and courage that brings stability throughout the change in your life. It helps you to harness the power of the fire within. Lava beads are porous and can even absorb the oil of your choice. So there you go. Didn't mention anything significance of the elephant. I'll have to dig around and see if I can get any more information on that. There we go. Ew. Wow, that's beautiful. So this is rose quartz. Okay. Rose quartz pointer crystal. Stone of the heart, a crystal of unconditional love and infinite peace. It is the most important crystal for the heart and heart chakra, teaching the true essence of love. It purifies and opens the heart at all levels and brings deep inner healing and self-love. It is calming, reassuring, and excellent for use in trauma or crisis. Rose quartz gently draws off negative energy and replaces it with loving vibes. There you go. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful piece. So I'll set that on a tray or something with some other crystals. So, and that's it. That's everything in my box. So that's it. If you have any questions, post them below and I will try to answer them. And don't forget to check out my other videos, especially the ones I have recently on other crystals. And you can go to mindfulsouls.com and get your own subscription box. And as I said again, it's not a sponsored video. Just wanted to share you know, what I'm doing, you know, along with making my jewelry. And they have jewelry also. So I was going to show you some. I don't think I have anything in here. I will take a minute and just show you some jewelry that I made a long time ago. Here's a rose quartz necklace that I made. Isn't that gorgeous? That is a big hunk of rose quartz. And this is rose quartz also. The chain. See? So, go get yourself some crystals and experience it. It's just wonderful. I can't think of anything else. I think that's everything. Alright everybody, thanks for taking the time to watch my video, and I'll see you on the next video, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.